everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans and Where the Heck Are the Albans. We are at home and we are going to be continuing our Advent calendar opening. So, on the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 brain teasers.
So you know how to get into this thing?
No. Oh, wait.
What we're doing?
Wait.
Is it taped?
It's taped. That's tape right there.
Man, this one takes a little bit getting into.
Oh my god.
Well, it's brain teasers and finger torture.
Yes, apparently so. We'll get it all open and come right back. All right, so now it's all open. So you can go for it, Viv. Let's start with one.
One, top of the tree. Oh god. That's scary. There's a building.
Okay. So it is a puzzle.
A Tanagram Challenge Christmas turkey.
Yeah, so there's the picture that you have to make out of the pieces. All right, so we'll try that a little later. All right, that's pretty cool.
Number two.
Number two.
Don't fall out. Okay.
This one is... oh, I see. So, we got, what is it? It's Tanagram Solutions Santa Claus. So you got to make a...
Wait, that's the...
Oh, okay.
That's the 10. Those are theirs.
Okay.
So
and then what's it say in the box there?
Christmas picture clues. Can you work out which Christmas themed words is displayed based on the picture clues?
All right. So, like, one picture clue is we got boxing gloves, or those mittens, and a calendar.
Warm weather? I don't know. Oh, wait, Boxing Day.
Is it? Hey, you got it. It is Boxing Day.
This is...
All right. And snowflakes, and world.
Global warming?
And the global warming.
Let it snow.
Let it snow, or I don't know.
Snow globe.
Snow globe.
Ah!
That one.
That's global warming.
Here's your turkey.
Oh, North Pole.
Yeah. I think you're right. Yep.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go on to the next.
Number 3.
Did you get it, Viv or Beck? Is that the turkey?
That's what you think.
Looks pretty darn good.
It doesn't have a head yet.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Gobble gobble.
Kind of looks like a camel.
Yeah.
I got this.
All right, day number 3. Oh, it's one of those where you gotta
Try to get it out.
You gotta get it out. Yeah. So a little bit of a brain teaser on that. Okay, very cool. Okay.
It's gonna bother me now.
So maybe we should start putting them back on the boxes too. Okay.
Oh, we will.
Day number 4
Day number 4
is
looks like a crossword.
or a word find.
Whoa!
You know how much your mother loves a good word find.
Oh.
Word search. Oh, that's the solutions.
That's
But there's the word search right there. And you got to look for stuff like Brussels sprouts, candlelight, candy cane,
Bells.
bells, Rudolph, reindeer.
Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, I guess that's for
Brussels
dinner.
sprouts.
So okay, cool.
there's
Word
one.
search.
Okay, number 5.
Two.
Bless you.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Number 5.
Number 5.
So,
And
all this have
is-
tanagrams.
What the heck is this? What's it say inside?
Oh, the cross. Can you build the puzzle?
Oh, can you build a puzzle? So it's a build a puzzle type thing, and they're little wood blocks. And you have to build the puzzle. Okay. Gotcha.
Ta-da.
Yeah, there's a little more to it than that.
I'm sure there's.
Ah, why do you just throw it on the ground?
Because
there?
Y is a.
No, it's bothering me now. Number
Okay.
6.
Number 6.
Tree 6. We got more cards.
More cards. So there's a Christmas song challenge. SN HNAICAIB. So the rules are all in each box, like what you got to do. So see if you're able to identify the well-known Christmas song based on the first letters of each word in the first line of the song. So SNHN.
Snow.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what that is. Would it be
I don't know.
home? No.
Home, maybe? I don't know.
No, because that's an N. There's no N in home.
Phone.
And this was Silent Night, Holy Night, All is Calm, All is Bright, Silent Night. Oh, I see. So it's
lyrics.
Silent Night, Holy Night, All is Calm, All is Bright. Okay, I get it. Okay. All right. So let's go on with day number 7.
Day number 7.
Another twisty, turny, brain teaser type puzzle.
Oh, can you separate these two?
Can you separate the two pieces?
I can't even pull them.
There is a way.
If there's a will, there's a way.
That's right. Okay. Number 8.
Number 8.
Where did we get this one, Becky?
Cost Plus. Well, they're not Cost Plus World Market anymore. They're just World Market.
World Market. Okay.
This looks like a
This is a crossword puzzle.
yes. Don't look at
Did I
that.
do it?
Oh, do you? So
Word jig.
a word jig. And it is, so yeah, it's a crossword puzzle. All right.
Okay. Obviously, that goes in there.
Okay,
Okay,
box
number
number
9.
9. Number 9. Number 9. What the?
Oh.
Can you build the babbles into a pyramid?
Can you build the baubles into a pyramid?
Probably.
So, there you go.
Oh, wait. That's small. Oh, wait. I got this. So a 3 on bottom. 2 like that. And 1 like
That's
that.
not a pyramid.
That's a pyramid.
You're crazy.
Number 10.
Number 10.
More cards.
More cards. And these cards are...
Ooh, Christmas riddles.
Oh,
Christmas
tell us
riddle.
a
Okay,
Christmas
tell us a
riddle.
riddle.
When you go to cut down a Christmas tree, how far can you walk into the forest?
Only halfway, because when you get to the middle,
You'll be walking.
you'll be
out.
walking out of the forest. Am I right?
Yep. Well,
Look
halfway.
at that. I'm like a genius.
What is the end of Christmas?
When does the end of what is at the end of Christmas?
Christmas.
An S.
The letter S.
One more.
You're a
Even if
fool.
your Christmas stocking is empty, you still might find me there. What am I?
Even if your Christmas
Lent.
stocking is empty,
Christmas spirit.
you still might find me there. What am I? Air.
A hole.
A hole.
Oh.
Okay, let's go on. All right.
Janice.
All right. A can of Simonize.
Number 11. My second
it's a
favorite number.
Bowling ball. Okay. Your second favorite number?
My second favorite number.
Because of Stranger Things?
No, because
No.
I just like
You just like 11. Okay. Another
Brain teacher.
brain teaser. So it's like, how can you separate the rings and stuff?
Can you separate the 2 wings?
Yeah. All right. And number 12.
Last one.
Bet you your cousin can figure these out.
The last one.
Number 12. Another piece of paper.
And this one is
Paper.
Oh,
Sudoku.
Sudoku.
Sudoku! But with letters. Sudoku.
Snowflake Sudoku. All right. Awesome. And those are the 12 brain teasers of Christmas.
And if you have a child or an adult who likes brain teasers, this would be an excellent gift.
This would be. And like we said, we bought this at World Market. They used to be called Cost Plus World Market, but now I think they're changing all the names just to World Market. All right. Hope you like this one, and we'll see you tomorrow. I think Becky's going to be opening one tomorrow, and I think she might be doing a Lego one.
Yay, Legos!
All right. See you tomorrow. Something we wanted to mention, too. In every single box, there is a, what are they called, tangrams? So you can try to use the pieces in box number 1 in every single one of the numbers.